I'm Dr. Mitchell Roslin. I'm the Chief of Bariatric and Metabolic Surgery at Lenox Hill Hospital in New York City and Northern Westchester Hospital in Mount Kisco, New York, which is in Westchester and part of Northwell Health. I'm also a professor of surgery at the Barbara and Donald Zucker School of Medicine. I've been treating obesity my entire life, and a lot of times people ask me, is obesity genetic? And the truth is that everything is genetic. A significant amount of our body habitus is inherited. How do we know this? Best studies were done by people like Mickey Skunkert from Penn, who actually ran around the world and he found identical twins, meaning genetically they're exactly the same, but were separated at birth and raised in two different homes. And miraculously, their body habitus was very, very similar. However, sometimes that sends the wrong message to people. So we have genetics, which kind of predicts the future. However, it's certainly the environment and what we do with our genes that will impact how we function. So while obesity is very, very much genetic, obviously, if we had the same genes and we lived in different parts of the world, like, for example, Somalia, many of us wouldn't be obese. So it's the combination of our genetic destiny combined with the Western processed food diet that makes people obese. And we, again, how do we know this? When we've looked at a lot of genetic testing in adolescents, we found it hasn't been that useful clinically. So there are a few genes that may be pivotal, but what are you going to do if you have a high genetic disposition? It's really the same answer. We really need to concentrate on a very healthy diet. What is the healthiest diet? It's a diet that has a lot of fiber. Think about it as 1/3 of a protein source and 2/3 having foods that have a lot of fiber. So what's my take-home message? No matter what your genetic destiny is, you have to have good relationships, you have to sleep, and if there's one thing that you should learn about in your diet is eat foods that can spoil, that have a lot of fiber in them, and let that be the major portion of your diet. I'm Dr. Mitchell Roslin, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.